Hello everyone, this is Akash, a quality expert from RSJ Inspection. In this video, I am going to explain about a quality control process called fabric inspection. And furthermore, I am going to add what is fabric inspection, what are the checks that will be covered, what are the benefits out of it, and what are the types and how to get this done as well. So let's get into this video. First, what is fabric inspection? Fabric inspection is nothing but a systematic and a methodological study of the fabrics which is done before the garment or apparel production. Generally, these types of fabric inspection is conducted in two fabrics, either finished fabrics or grease fabrics. And these fabric inspections are done by following a specific SOP to check the specific items of the fabrics. Moving on, let us discuss the benefits that can be gained by conducting a fabric inspection. First, we can able to detect the defects at the earlier stage itself, which will help us in minimizing the rejection. By minimizing the rejection, we can naturally save a lot of time and money. Apart from this, we can also able to reduce the customer returns and recalls, thereby increasing the timely deliveries and the efficiency of the products. Next is checks. So what are the checks that will be covered by doing this fabric inspection? Firstly, design and color. Every client needs their apparel or garment to be in a unique color and design. So initially the design and the color will be checked whether it is matching to the client's specification or not. Next is yarn defects or weaving defects. So in this, the defects like slubs, color fly, broken ribs is present in the fabrics that is being produced or not will be checked. Next is on-site visual inspection. On-site visual inspection is a technique of detecting defects through the naked eye to ensure that the equipment is producing the fabric properly or not, or to ensure that the manufactured fabric is as per the client's specifications. Next is assessment of fabric construction. In this, the technical checks like inch per inch, pix per inch and the GSM of the fabric will be checked. Next is types. Even though fabric inspection is a one general process based on the defects and penalty points, it is classified into many types, out of which the most commonly used types are 4-point system and 10-point system. 4-point system. 4-point system is the most commonly used control measure in fabric inspection among the apparel industry. In this, one should inspect at least 10% of the whole shipment of the fabric, and he must make sure to select one color on each way. In this system, the penalty points are allocated based on the length of the defects. For example, up to 3 inches of length of defects, the penalty point is 1, and for 3 to 6 inches, the penalty point is 2, and for 6 to 9, the penalty point is 3, and for above 9 inches of length of defect or holes, the penalty point is 4. Next is 10-point system. Similarly to the 4-point system, the 10-point system is also evaluated by the length of warp defects and weft defects, and the points will be allocated to it. So the length of the defects and the penalty points for the defects is mentioned in this slide. Next is how to get this done. So this fabric inspection can be conducted in 3 ways. First is hire a local representative. The second way is employing your own quality team to the factory to conduct the inspection. And the third is partner up with an accredited third-party assessment agency who can assess and give you the detailed report. In case if you want to know more about this fabric inspection, you can always download a model report by scanning the QR code which is given in this presentation, or by clicking the link which will be mentioned in the description box. Moving forward, if you have any queries or if you need any support in scheduling a fabric inspection, you can always visit our website at rsjqa.com or send us a mail through contact@rsjqa.com. Our team will be happy to assist you. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you all for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.